Hey guys, so as you guys could see, I am at the camper right now. It's a total mess because I'm packing the rest of my stuff because today I'm getting my house and I'm going to be doing an empty house tour for you guys. I'm so freaking excited to show you guys. But yeah, this camper is turning into a mess because I'm packing up all the rest of my stuff, as you guys could see. But I cannot wait to show you guys the house and get everything settled. So I will check back in with you guys once we're there. Okay guys, this is it. We're here. Sorry if there's an echo and the floors are dirty because we've been moving everything in already, but this is the living room. We have the first bedroom right here. This is gonna be where I sleep. And then right here in the middle, we have the bathroom. This is where the washer and dryer goes, and then the bathroom. And then the last bedroom right here is the bigger one. This is gonna be my filming room. I'm so excited, or my beauty room, whatever you want to call it. Look how big it is. Oh, the floors are disgusting though. And then yeah, this is the living room from this side. There's a bar, and then the kitchen is over here. I love the counters, they're so cute. That's what everything looks like. That's where the stove goes, the fridge. And so we're gonna continue moving stuff in. Okay, we're about to set up my bed. I bought a whole new bed frame. Good morning, guys. So today is the next day. Last night was actually my first night here, staying the night. So I did make up my bed. It's all new stuff except for the blanket on top, the orange one, and the orange pillows, and also these pillows actually. But the comforter I bought, and then also the bed frame I bought. But I bought the exact same ones as we had at the old place because we had just bought those together and we both picked them out together and we really liked them, and I still really liked them, and I didn't want to go through the trouble of like figuring out a new style and everything for my bedroom, so I kind of just kept it the same and ordered the same stuff. The only thing I don't like is that the bedspread wasn't as white as the sheets that I got, but when I put it all together, I like the way it looks, so I'm like, oh, that's fine. Like, I cover it up mainly with that orange blanket anyways. And then I made it taller, so it has like two options. At my old apartment, I had it like lower and had a box spring, which is over here. It's gross, don't look at it. And so I set it up the taller way, and now I don't need that box spring, so I could get rid of it. And this is what she's looking like. I'm not gonna keep the bed there though, just because last night we had trouble like putting it together, and so it took a while, and so we just kind of put it there for now. We had the TV over here because this is where the cable is on this side right here, but then there was no plug-in, so we moved it over here, but then it didn't fit, so right now it's like at an angle. I need to repaint this and stuff, so don't look at that. But I don't want it at an angle like this, so I'm gonna be moving everything in here and changing it up. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but today we're gonna focus mainly on cleaning because the floors, like I said yesterday, are all completely dirty from us moving everything. Sorry, I just woke up, so I cannot talk. But this is what the living room's looking like. My tia actually gave me this. I need to clean it and put a throw that like matches my couch. That's my couch from my old place, same stuff on it, my old carpet. And then I bought this mirror from IKEA before I left. I love it, I just don't know where I'm gonna put it. And then we kind of just have everything everywhere right here in the living room. All my Christmas stuff and everything, because I do want to put it up because it's getting later in December and I still haven't put up my tree, so I want to get that done soon. This is what the restroom's looking like. I noticed that I do not have enough space for my skincare, so most of my skincare is probably going to go in the beauty room, but for now, this is like how I have it set up. I need to put like a shower rod in here and everything. I bought some shower stuff from Walmart that's actually pretty cute. I got this set right here, and I think this is the color scheme I'm going with. It comes with a little basket, a soap dispenser, toothbrush holder, a shower curtain, and the hooks. And then I got like a brown pole. So I think I'm gonna go with that. I also bought a carpet, but I think it's too small. Here's another box full of just random stuff. But this is the carpet that I got, but I feel like it's way too small for this bathroom. I thought the bathroom was a lot smaller when I was looking at pictures and stuff. And then when I saw it in person, I was like, oh yeah, I need a bigger carpet for sure. So I might return that and get a bigger one. But I'm gonna set it up and see what it looks like. And then I got a shower liner in gray. I like to get gray because I don't like white because my hair is pink and sometimes it will stain it pink. This is actually where the washer and dryer go. I have my steamer in here right now and the litter boxes and the cat stuff. But I'm gonna move that whenever I put the washer and dryer. But for now, I wanted to put it here because I didn't know where I want my litter boxes yet. And then this is what the beauty room is looking like. This is where like most of the boxes went because that's kind of like all my stuff is related to filming and just doing my job. And so I have all my lights and my boxes in here and all the makeup. I don't know how I'm gonna set this up yet either. Everything's just kind of everywhere. Like I said, I gotta clean the floors. And then over here's the kitchen. More stuff everywhere. Like all my stuff in storage is all dusty too. So if you see it and it looks dirty, that is why. But the only thing so far I have in here is a microwave. I have no fridge or stove. So still gotta get those things. But we are slowly making progress. Like I said, today we're just gonna focus on cleaning and setting everything up that I have now, and then we'll just like kind of put it together. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to set up some of my bathroom stuff right now, mainly just the curtain. This is the shower liner I got. This is the curtain right here, it's cute. But first we gotta start with this pole. Wait. Should I put it right there? Oh no. Oh my gosh. How high should I do it? Like right there? Okay. Okay. Unlock and extend, twist to unlock. I don't think I'm doing this right. I'm gonna wait for somebody to come help me. If you guys are wondering how the cats are adjusting, they're in heaven right now because this place is a lot bigger and there's boxes everywhere. So Hudson loves it. Ozzy's right here. He's the one that's more scared. But now that it's just me here because everybody from my family was like here helping me. He was scared and hiding, but now it's just me. He's out and exploring. I bought them a new cat tower that I have to set up, and I got it in this like beige color, so hopefully it looks okay. I still have their old beds and stuff down here, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep that stuff, but I'm definitely gonna set up that cat tree really soon because as you guys could see, Hudson loves climbing on everything. That's why I wanted to get it in the first place. Okay, so I just set up this cat tree and Hudson's a fan. Isn't it so cute? And it's like a really soft fur material. You like it, Hudson? Ozzy still hasn't got up here yet, but hopefully they like it. You guys, please tell me I'm not the only one who's a perfectionist when it comes to their bedspread. Okay, I told you guys I just bought this comforter. I'm steaming it little by little to get all the little tiny wrinkles out. So here's my big mirror that I bought from IKEA. I cannot wait to put this up, but the thing is, I don't know where I want it yet. I think I want it on this wall right here, and if not, maybe this one over here. So I'm gonna open it and see where it looks good. Okay, so I went ahead and decided to put the mirror right here in this corner just because with this window and this window, it gives really good lighting. And if I were to put it in this corner, it would be like backlit, so it wouldn't look the best. And I think I'm gonna put my Christmas tree here. We are at Target right now looking for some bathroom stuff. Okay, sorry if this lighting sucks. It's the end of the day now, and so it's really dark in here and I can't get the lighting right, and I have cat hair all over me. But let me show you what I got. So start with Target because I did go to Burlington too. So I got a toilet scrubber. This is the one I used to have, and I just like that it's all gray and it like goes with my bathroom theme. I was on the hunt for more bathroom stuff, so that's pretty much all I got. Well, I got a couple things for the living room, so I got that. I got some mouthwash, very exciting stuff, and a new trash can. I have one in there now and it's black, but usually I'll use that one like in my beauty room, so I thought I would get a new one for the bathroom. And this one's like a dark brown color. That's kind of the theme of my bathroom. Don't worry guys, I'm going to be showing you everything once it's done. Even my couch right now is not even set up that right. But here's the trash can. It was $20 to put some trash away. It's crazy. Okay, let's do this big bag. Okay, and so this is the one living room thing that I got. I got a throw, and it's in this cream color, and I thought it would match my couch, but as you guys could see, it doesn't. It's a lot wider. It maybe matches the pillows a little bit more and my carpet, but basically I wanted to get a throw for that chair I showed you guys, that round one that my Thea gave me, because I feel like it kind of stands out a lot because it doesn't go with my couch or the cat tree or any of that, because it doesn't have like any light colors on it. So I got this for that. I don't know how good it's gonna look or if it's even gonna bring it together like I want it to, but we're just gonna see tomorrow when I put it on there after I clean the chair, because it already has cat hair on it. So I got that, and then I got some rugs for my bathroom because I had bought just one rug and it was way too small for this bathroom. So I bought two big ones this time. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I spent this much money on rugs, but this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like the old ones I used to have, but those had white in it and these are just all gray. And so I literally just got two of these. I'm gonna set them up after I clean the bathroom and see what they look like, but those are the new rugs. What else? Oh, okay. I got this thing right here. I needed a scale because I want to start working out again. I missed working out. I think I'm gonna start here though in this town with some at-home workouts until I get back into it, and then I'll find a gym and get a membership and all that. But for now, I wanted a scale that matched my bathroom because I'm pretty sure that's where I'm gonna put the scale. And so I got this one. It's like silicone, so it feels really soft. I just like that it was gray and it matched because I didn't want to get black because it's not, I don't really have that many black things in there, and I didn't want to get clear, so I got this one. And hopefully it's good. It just says Balance Greater Goods Designer Series. My cat is playing with the bag right now. Okay, and that's everything I got from Target. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I got from Burlington. So I need a lot more storage in the bathroom because the sink is a lot smaller than my old one. But anyways, I got this shower caddy for the inside, and it's like brown and it's gonna match the tile really nicely. So I thought this was cute. It has like a little soap bar on the bottom, some hooks. So hopefully this will be a good addition to my bathroom. And then I also got a toilet paper holder because I don't have one of these. It's so weird because when you have an apartment, it just like comes with pretty much all this stuff. Like it comes with like a toilet paper holder, a towel rack, a refrigerator, a microwave, just like all the appliances you don't think about. And then now that I have a house, I'm like, I don't have any of those things. I don't even have a washer and dryer. I'm literally staying here without a fridge or anything. I just have a microwave. But I got this toilet paper holder. My grandma actually gave me some toilet paper because I forgot to buy some. But this is the color I got. I was looking for one that was like more bronze, kind of like the trash can, but I could not find it. They're either really silver or black, I think. I don't know. I found this one. It's nice. It's kind of like in the middle. It's silver, but it's like a dark silver. So yeah, toilet paper holder. And yeah, that was everything that I bought today. I'm super excited to set it up. It is finally that time to put up my tree. There's like 10 days until Christmas, but I still want to do it. It just took a while to move all my stuff in, so this is just how it's gonna be. Let's put this crap together. I opened all my decorations, or my ornaments, I should say. I think I'm gonna go with these ones for this year. And I have these like opalescent ones, and my friend Vanessa, she gave me these snowflakes, which I think will match perfectly, so I'm gonna use those. I also got this wreath from her, but I can't put it up, or wreath, I don't know how to say it. I can't put it up right now because I don't have a hook, so we're just doing the tree today. Still on it. Okay. This is gonna make a mess. Okay guys, so we got a lot done. Are you guys ready to see? Okay, so here's the living room. This is actually where I'm gonna put my TV, but I put this picture frame thing for now because I don't have the TV yet. But here's like my seating area, coffee table, rug, the cat tree, and then over here I have my IKEA mirror. This is my outfit for today. Hello, how are ya? Oh, and then behind me I have my Christmas tree up. Okay, now, oh, I also hanged up this little boho decor thing. I kind of decorated some Christmas stuff over there. I'm not gonna show you guys the kitchen because it is not done whatsoever, so don't look over there. But let's go to the bedroom. So here is the bedroom. This is pretty much done. I kept my bed there, and then I have the stand over here, and I ended up mounting the TV right here in front of the bed, and I have a lot of space still, so I really like it in here. I have my one nightstand and the lamp, which I got from Home Goods. The bed frame is from Amazon. The bedspread is from Walmart, and then this comforter thing, the orange one, is from Target. And then I think all those pillows are from like Marshalls and like Home Goods and stuff like that. I need to find something to like put on here, but that's how it looks for now. I have some more decor on my little coffee table over here. Some Christmas stuff and coasters. Now for the bathroom. So I ended up switching out the rugs I showed you guys with these ones, but they are still from Target. I got a new scale, a new shower curtain, then my towels and stuff. And then this is what the inside looks like with my sink and everything. I have this little basket for my towels and stuff because I don't have a towel rack yet. The mirror. And then over here I still have my cat stuff because I don't have a washer and dryer yet. So I kind of like this area for them though. They kind of have like their own space and I don't have to like smell their litter box or anything. And as long as I keep it clean, the bathroom is pretty clean. And then that is everything that I got done. Now I'll show you guys the beauty room, but I haven't even touched it. This is what it's looking like. It just has everything in here. But this is gonna be its own video, guys. So look forward to that. I'm gonna show you guys everything because it's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be my filming room and beauty room and skincare. Just amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Okay guys, that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are excited to see the beauty room tour. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe. I post every week for you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!